Supply chain management is vital for every organization, whether it's manufacturing cars, delivering groceries, or providing health care. Its purpose goes beyond simply moving goods from suppliers to customers. Modern SCM focuses on achieving key objectives such as creating value, optimizing performance, reducing waste, and building resilience, while its functions ensure these goals are met efficiently across the entire value network. The primary objective of supply chain management is customer satisfaction. A successful supply chain ensures that products are available when and where customers need them, deliveries are reliable and accurate, and the organization can respond flexibly to changes in customer demand or market trends. Meeting these goals helps build trust, loyalty, and a competitive advantage. For example, Amazon's logistics strategy centers on customer satisfaction. Its Prime service promises same-day or next-day delivery, leveraging predictive analytics to position inventory near customer clusters, ensuring fast and reliable fulfillment. Another key objective of supply chain management is cost reduction and efficiency. The goal is to minimize total system costs while maintaining high service quality, rather than cutting costs in one area at the expense of another. This involves lowering procurement costs through bulk buying and supplier collaboration, optimizing transportation routes and warehouse usage, and leveraging automation and data analytics to remove inefficiencies across the supply chain. For example, Walmart's everyday low-price strategy relies on exceptional logistics efficiency. By using cross-docking, real-time inventory tracking, and close supplier coordination, Walmart minimizes operational costs while ensuring products are consistently available to customers. Another objective of supply chain management is improving cash flow and working capital. By reducing inventory levels and cycle times, companies can free up cash tied in stock. This is achieved through faster order-to-cash cycles, implementing just-in-time JIT systems, and reducing metrics like days sales outstanding (DSO) and inventory turnover time. For example, Toyota's JIT system keeps inventory minimal while ensuring materials flow continuously, lowering working capital needs and enhancing overall efficiency. Another important objective of supply chain management is enhancing visibility and transparency. This allows real-time monitoring of materials, shipments, and performance across suppliers, logistics providers, and distributors. Greater visibility supports proactive risk management by identifying bottlenecks early, improves planning accuracy, and fosters stronger collaboration and trust among supply chain partners. For example, Maersk, the global shipping leader, implemented a blockchain-based platform to track containers worldwide. This system enhances visibility, improves traceability, and reduces delays caused by paperwork, strengthening collaboration across the supply chain. Another key objective of supply chain management is agility and responsiveness. Modern supply chains need to quickly adapt to changes in demand, disruptions, or emerging opportunities. This involves fast rerouting of shipments, flexible sourcing and production, and using predictive analytics for demand forecasting. For example, Zara's agile supply chain enables it to design, produce, and deliver new fashion collections in just 3 to 4 weeks, allowing rapid response to market trends. Another important objective of supply chain management is sustainability and compliance. Modern SCM seeks to balance profitability with environmental and social responsibility by reducing carbon footprints and waste, ensuring ethical sourcing and labor compliance, and promoting circular economy practices such as reuse, recycling, and refurbishment. For example, Unilever's sustainable sourcing initiatives ensure that 100% of its palm oil and tea come from certified sustainable sources, enhancing both brand reputation and regulatory compliance. A final objective of supply chain management is creating competitive advantage and strategic value. Efficient supply chains can differentiate companies in competitive markets, turning supply chain capabilities into strategic assets that enhance customer loyalty and profitability. For example, Apple's global supply chain combines innovative design, component sourcing from Asia, and precise demand planning to deliver faster time to market and a premium customer experience, forming a key pillar of its success. The functions of supply chain management show how SCM achieves its objectives, involving coordinated activities across procurement, production, logistics, and customer service to ensure the flow of goods, information, and resources is efficient, responsive, and value-creating. The first key function of supply chain management is planning and forecasting. This involves aligning supply with customer demand to avoid overstocking or shortages, using demand forecasts based on historical and real-time data, conducting sales and operations planning S&OP, and planning capacity and inventory. For example, Coca-Cola uses AI-driven forecasting to predict demand for various beverages by region and season, optimizing production and minimizing waste. The second key function of supply chain management is procurement and sourcing, which ensures the timely and cost-effective acquisition of materials and services. This includes selecting and evaluating suppliers, negotiating contracts, strategic sourcing, and managing supplier relationships. For example, General Motors uses a global sourcing network, balancing local and international suppliers to manage risks and maintain a stable supply of materials. The third key function of supply chain management is production and operations, which focuses on efficiently transforming raw materials into finished goods while maintaining quality. Key activities include production scheduling, process optimization, lean manufacturing, waste reduction, maintenance, quality control, and standardization. For example, Toyota's production system TPS emphasizes Kaizen continuous improvement and Jidoka automation with a human touch, ensuring flexibility and virtually zero defects. Inventory management is a vital supply chain function that ensures the right balance between product availability and cost efficiency. It covers all stages of inventory, including raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods, using techniques like EOQ, ABC analysis, and safety stock to optimize stock levels. Effective warehouse management, including layout optimization, supports smooth operations and quick access to materials. Dell provides a prime example of efficient inventory management through its build-to-order model, producing systems only after receiving customer orders. This approach minimizes finished goods inventory, reduces storage costs, and ensures customer demands are met promptly while keeping operational costs under control. Logistics and distribution is the function responsible for the efficient physical movement of goods across the supply chain. It involves transportation management, including selecting the appropriate mode of transport and optimizing routes, as well as overseeing warehousing and order fulfillment to ensure timely delivery. This function also handles reverse logistics, managing returns, and coordinating last-mile delivery to the end customer. A notable example is FedEx, which transformed global logistics through its hub-and-spoke distribution model, enabling fast and reliable overnight deliveries worldwide and setting a benchmark for speed and efficiency in the industry. Information management is a crucial function in modern supply chains as data serves as the lifeblood of operations. It ensures real-time visibility, coordination, and control across all supply chain activities, enabling informed decision-making. This function involves implementing ERP and SCM software systems, integrating data among partners, and utilizing analytics, dashboards, and key performance indicators to monitor performance and guide strategy. Platforms like SAP and Oracle SCM exemplify effective information management by connecting procurement, production, inventory, and logistics data, providing end-to-end visibility and supporting comprehensive, data-driven decisions throughout the supply chain. Relationship and collaboration management focuses on building and maintaining strong, long-term partnerships with suppliers, partners, and customers, which are essential for sustained supply chain performance. This function involves collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment (CPFR), vendor-managed inventory (VMI), and coordination across both functional and organizational boundaries. Walmart provides a prime example through its Retail Link system, which allows suppliers to access real-time sales data and manage their own replenishment. This collaboration improves efficiency, reduces stockouts, and strengthens the overall supply chain by aligning the goals and actions of all stakeholders. Performance measurement and continuous improvement is a key supply chain function that focuses on tracking and enhancing overall effectiveness. It involves defining key performance indicators such as on-time delivery, fill rate, and inventory turns, and benchmarking performance against industry standards like the SCORE model. Continuous improvement practices, often guided by Lean and Six Sigma methodologies, help identify inefficiencies and drive operational excellence. Caterpillar exemplifies this approach by regularly assessing global supplier performance using standardized scorecards, which enables the company to improve quality, reduce costs, and enhance delivery reliability across its supply chain. Supply chain objectives are crucial for business success, with each focusing on a different aspect of performance. Customer satisfaction drives companies like Amazon Prime to offer timely, high-quality service. Cost efficiency is exemplified by Walmart, which minimizes supply chain costs to maintain low prices. Toyota's JIT system reduces inventory and cycle times, enhancing working capital. Maersk leverages blockchain for real-time visibility and control. Zara showcases agility, responding quickly to market demand. Unilever leads in sustainability, promoting ethical and green practices, while Apple uses SCM excellence for a strong competitive advantage, differentiating itself in the market. Each of these objectives plays a vital role in improving overall supply chain performance. Supply chain management extends well beyond traditional logistics, integrating strategic planning, sustainability initiatives, and advanced technologies to enhance overall business performance. All SCM functions are deeply interconnected, making cross-functional coordination essential for smooth operations. Modern tools such as real-time data systems, automation, and collaboration platforms have become game changers, enabling companies to operate with greater accuracy, speed, and resilience. Organizations that view SCM as a strategic capability like Amazon, Toyota, and Apple consistently achieve superior efficiency, stronger customer satisfaction, and a lasting competitive advantage. As a professional reflecting on your supply chain practices, it's important to consider whether your organization treats SCM merely as a cost center or recognizes it as a powerful value driver that can enhance competitiveness and growth. Think about which SCM objective, whether cost efficiency, superior service, or sustainability, best aligns with your overall business strategy and long-term goals. Also reflect on how well your SCM functions are integrated and whether technology, real-time data, and collaborative tools are being fully leveraged to create a seamless and resilient supply chain capable of supporting future demands. Supply chain as a competitive advantage emphasizes that the way a company designs, manages, and continuously improves its supply chain has a direct impact on its overall performance, market position, and long-term success. In today's global and fast-changing environment, a supply chain is no longer just an operational requirement. It has become a strategic asset that shapes customer experience, cost efficiency, agility, innovation, and sustainability. Organizations that excel in supply chain management are able to respond faster to market changes, operate more efficiently than competitors, and deliver superior value to customers, turning their supply chain into a powerful and enduring source of competitive advantage. An effectively managed supply chain strengthens multiple dimensions of business performance. including customer satisfaction through reliable service, operational efficiency by reducing waste and optimizing processes, market responsiveness by adapting quickly to shifting demand, profitability through cost control and smarter resource use, and brand reputation by ensuring ethical, transparent, and sustainable practices. When these elements work together seamlessly, the supply chain becomes a powerful source of differentiation, one that competitors struggle to replicate because it is built on integrated systems, strong partnerships, accumulated expertise, and capabilities developed over time. In simple terms, a strong supply chain turns operations into strategy, converting efficiency, agility, and innovation into long-term competitive advantage. In today's competitive landscape, firms achieve a competitive advantage through either cost leadership or differentiation, as outlined in Michael Porter's framework. Supply chains play a critical role in both strategies. For cost leadership, the supply chain focuses on streamlining operations, reducing waste, optimizing logistics, and leveraging economies of scale to lower costs. For differentiation, the supply chain enhances product availability, customization, speed, and customer experience through superior service and innovation. Modern supply chains often integrate both efficiency and effectiveness, combining cost reduction with value creation, allowing firms to outperform competitors in the market. In the context of supply chain-driven competitive advantage, one of the key dimensions is speed. Speed in delivery and responsiveness significantly enhances customer satisfaction by reducing lead times and improving a company's ability to adapt to market changes. For example, Amazon Prime has revolutionized customer expectations by offering same-day or next-day delivery for millions of products. This fast delivery capability not only meets customer demands quickly but also creates a competitive edge for Amazon, making it a preferred choice for many shoppers. The ability to deliver products rapidly has become a crucial factor in retaining customer loyalty and standing out in a crowded marketplace. Flexibility is another important dimension of a supply chain-driven competitive advantage. It refers to a company's ability to quickly adapt to changing customer needs, new technologies, or unforeseen disruptions. A flexible supply chain can pivot by shifting suppliers, adjusting production levels, or even customizing products on demand to meet evolving market demands. A great example of this is Zara, whose agile supply chain allows for rapid design-to-delivery cycles of just 2 to 3 weeks. This enables Zara to consistently align its collections with the latest fashion trends, ensuring that it remains relevant and responsive to customer preferences. This level of flexibility not only gives Zara a competitive edge, but also highlights the importance of adaptability in today's fast-paced retail environment. Cost efficiency is a critical dimension of supply chain-driven competitive advantage, focusing on reducing operating costs while maintaining high-quality standards. Companies achieve this through strategies like lean inventory management, process automation, and optimized logistics. By streamlining operations and eliminating waste, firms can offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Walmart is a prime example of this strategy, where its supply chain emphasizes cost leadership through practices such as vendor collaboration, cross-docking distribution, and real-time inventory systems. These efficiencies allow Walmart to maintain its hallmark everyday low prices while still delivering value to customers. This approach underscores the importance of cost efficiency in maintaining a competitive edge in price-sensitive markets. Innovation is a vital dimension of supply chain-driven competitive advantage, focusing on continuous improvement and the adoption of new technologies to stay ahead of the competition. Innovative supply chains leverage advancements like AI, IoT, and automation to streamline operations, increase efficiency, and improve decision-making. Tesla provides a great example of this strategy through its vertically integrated supply chain, which allows the company to control every aspect, from sourcing raw materials like lithium for batteries to rolling out software updates. This level of integration ensures that Tesla can innovate quickly while maintaining consistency and quality across its products. By adopting cutting-edge technologies and fostering supplier collaboration, companies like Tesla not only improve operational performance but also accelerate the pace of innovation, which is crucial for maintaining a competitive advantage in fast-evolving industries. Reliability and resilience are essential dimensions of a supply chain-driven competitive advantage. Resilient supply chains can maintain continuity during disruptions such as pandemics, wars, or natural disasters. This ability to absorb shocks and recover quickly ensures that operations continue smoothly. Reliability, on the other hand, builds customer trust and fosters long-term brand loyalty by consistently delivering quality products on time. Apple exemplifies this with its diversified supplier base and strong, long-term relationships, which helped it recover swiftly from disruptions like the COVID-19 pandemic. By prioritizing both reliability and resilience, companies can safeguard their operations and maintain customer loyalty during challenging times. Organizations can gain a competitive edge by optimizing key supply chain levers. Integration ensures seamless coordination, reducing delays and improving visibility. Technology like ERP, AI, and blockchain enhances decision-making and accuracy. Collaboration with suppliers and distributors drives innovation and reliability. Sustainability builds brand equity and offers a compliance advantage. Globalization allows for strategic sourcing and market expansion, optimizing costs and reach. These levers collectively improve efficiency, innovation, and resilience, strengthening competitive advantage. Amazon, speed, and customer obsession. Amazon's competitive advantage is driven by its highly integrated, customer-focused supply chain. The company uses predictive analytics, robotics, and AI to efficiently manage inventory and optimize delivery routes. Its Fulfillment by Amazon FBA model supports millions of sellers globally, ensuring consistent customer service standards. By reducing lead times, increasing order accuracy, and consistently delivering a superior customer experience, Amazon has set the global benchmark for logistics and supply chain performance. This combination of speed and customer obsession has helped Amazon maintain its leadership position in e-commerce and logistics. Toyota, quality and lean operations. Toyota's competitive advantage comes from its lean supply chain and just-in-time JIT philosophy, which focus on minimizing waste and reducing inventory costs. The company emphasizes close supplier collaboration and continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, to refine processes and enhance quality. This approach has helped Toyota achieve industry-leading product reliability and operational efficiency, allowing it to maintain market leadership for decades. Toyota's ability to deliver high-quality vehicles while optimizing costs has made its supply chain a model for lean operations worldwide. Toyota's competitive advantage is built on its lean supply chain and just-in-time JIT philosophy, which minimizes waste and reduces inventory costs. By emphasizing strong supplier collaboration and a commitment to continuous improvement, Kaizen, Toyota ensures high efficiency and quality across its operations. This approach has led to industry-leading product reliability and exceptional operational performance. As a result, Toyota has maintained its market leadership for decades, consistently setting the standard for efficiency and quality in automotive manufacturing. Dell revolutionized the PC industry with its build-to-order supply chain, bypassing traditional intermediaries and selling directly to customers. By integrating its online ordering system with component suppliers, Dell was able to reduce inventory holding costs and significantly shorten lead times. This approach also enabled greater customization of products, allowing customers to configure PCs to their exact specifications. The result was a more cost-effective model that delivered better value to customers while keeping operational costs lower, giving Dell a competitive advantage in the PC market. Unilever has built a competitive advantage by integrating sustainability at every stage of its supply chain, from ethical sourcing of palm oil to low-carbon logistics. The company also partners with small-scale suppliers worldwide to ensure social impact and inclusivity. This commitment to sustainability has enhanced Unilever's brand image, improved compliance with environmental regulations, and strengthened its long-term resilience. By aligning its supply chain with social and environmental responsibility, Unilever has gained a distinct advantage in the market, appealing to conscious consumers and building a future-proof business model. A well-managed supply chain can create significant barriers to competition. One of the main factors is the high replication cost, as building a complex network of suppliers, advanced data systems, and specialized operational expertise requires substantial time and investment, making it difficult for competitors to replicate. Additionally, a strong supply chain can lead to customer lock-in. When a company provides superior service and reliable delivery, it fosters long-term customer loyalty, making it challenging for competitors to attract those customers. Finally, data and analytics superiority play a crucial role. Access to big data and advanced analytics enhances forecasting, personalization, and overall customer engagement, providing a competitive edge that competitors find hard to match. By excelling in these areas, companies can effectively create barriers that make it difficult for others to compete in the market. The ecosystem effect refers to the integration of suppliers, logistics providers, and customers into a cohesive network, creating a self-reinforcing advantage. When all parties are seamlessly connected, each element of the supply chain contributes to the overall efficiency and success of the system. This interconnectedness leads to improved collaboration, faster response times, and more personalized services, making it increasingly difficult for competitors to replicate. As the network grows and strengthens, it generates greater value for all participants, creating a cycle where the success of one partner boosts the success of others, reinforcing the entire ecosystem. Over time, this interconnected advantage becomes a powerful barrier to entry, making it harder for new competitors to break in or for existing ones to catch up. Key supply chain metrics help firms improve their competitive advantage. Order cycle time measures speed and responsiveness. Perfect order rate tracks on-time, error-free deliveries, boosting customer satisfaction. Inventory turnover reflects efficiency and cost control. Supply chain cost-to-sales ratio indicates profitability. The Sustainability Index evaluates environmental and ethical performance, supporting long-term competitiveness. These metrics provide critical insights for optimizing supply chain performance. Digital transformation is now a key competitive advantage. Technologies like AI and predictive analytics improve demand forecasting and anomaly detection, while blockchain ensures transparency and trust. IoT and sensors enable real-time asset tracking, and robotics and automation boost warehouse and logistics efficiency. Cloud SCM platforms facilitate collaboration and data visibility across enterprises. These technologies enhance supply chain performance, giving companies a strong edge in the digital era. Maersk Straddle's blockchain platform is a great example of how digital transformation is revolutionizing supply chains. By providing real-time visibility into global cargo movements, Straddle's helps reduce documentation time by 40%, which speeds up processes and reduces errors. The platform also enhances trust among partners by ensuring transparency and securing data, making it easier for all stakeholders to collaborate. This level of efficiency and trust is key in today's fast-paced global supply chain environment, demonstrating how blockchain can be leveraged to streamline operations and create a competitive advantage. Sustainability has become a key competitive advantage in supply chain management as consumers and regulators demand eco-friendly practices. Companies that integrate green logistics, carbon-neutral shipping, and ethical sourcing not only ensure compliance but also strengthen their reputation. IKEA is a great example, with its circular supply chain focusing on renewable materials, energy-efficient logistics, and furniture recycling, reinforcing its eco-leadership. By prioritizing sustainability, companies can enhance brand value while meeting growing environmental expectations. Supply chain management is no longer just a support function, it's a strategic driver of competitiveness. Effective supply chain management enhances speed, cost efficiency, flexibility, and innovation, which are the key pillars of competitive advantage. Success hinges on integration, data visibility, and technology. Case studies from global leaders like Amazon, Toyota, Dell, and Unilever show how supply chains can differentiate companies in their industries. Looking ahead, the most competitive supply chains will prioritize digital transformation, sustainability, and resilience as lasting sources of advantage, positioning companies for long-term success.